All right, we're going to do some investigating. I am a science teacher after all. So we're going to try out tower defense and we're going to play it a couple different ways and see what actually is the best. So I'm just going to do 5 minutes to keep it the same. I'm going to continue playing with the same set. All right, so let's host this game. Okay. So copy this link, paste it here, and I'm going to just join. Let's choose an exciting fluke. Let's just start. Okay, no. We've got to answer some questions first. Okay. All right. So what we're going to do in this one is just do ducks and upgrade ducks, and that's it. We're going to use ducks the whole time. See what happens. All right. So we'll get another duck. Let's put it here. Let's increase the range of that one. Again, all I'm going to do is buy and upgrade ducks. That's it. All right, narrowing of blood vessels. All right, so instead of buying one, let's upgrade and upgrade. All right, so again, we're sticking just ducks, and that's it. All right, let's get a new one this time. Let's put it here. Here, increase the range, make it increase damage. Kind of funny that we're choosing ducks. Okay. All right, so here we go. All right, so again, we're just continuing to buy ducks and upgrade them, and that's it. Again, I'm not buying anything else. Those are the cheapest, and I just want to see what happens if we do it this way. Or I think they're chicks, but okay. So let's see if I can upgrade this one. All right, that's all I can upgrade right now. All right, so let's see. Let's do this one. And all I'm doing is upgrading and purchasing chicks. I said ducks at first. I apologize. That's chicks. Hopefully I don't lose a good one. Oh, I hate when this one pops up. Okay. Let's put this one here, increase the range. It's actually doing pretty well so far. So let's see what happens. And again here, I'm going to upgrade. Not purchase anything new, just upgrade. That's all I'm going to do this whole time. Upgrade and get chicks. That's it. And then it's the only way we can really compare to what other things do. All right, let's see. All right, almost at the end. We'll see what happens. All right, this is it. As we finish up, we'll see what happens. Okay. So here's my score. All right, which is 1891. Okay, so that is with just chicks, 1891. All right, so now we will see what happens when we try another one. So let's go play again here. So let's play again. All right, so we're going to play same game, same time, same set. Okay, 842771. 8277. All right, so this is me again. All right, let's go this time. Start. Okay, this time, well, we'll see. So, all right, so I'm going to pick a duck first because I don't have enough for anything. I mean, a chick. So let's just pick a chick first. I'm not going to upgrade it. I'm just going to pick the chick because I can, look, sell it for 2. What I really want is something better. So, see, now I can get a unicorn. So, see how much range this covers? So let's do the unicorn. And that's all I want to focus on here is I want to focus on unicorns. So we're going to see if my score is any better. Okay. So, all right. So I can sell this one and get a second unicorn. All right. So again, all I'm going to focus on this one is unicorns. I'm going to buy them. I'm going to upgrade them. That's it. Okay. So let's see what happens. I won't be able to buy one this round, but I can upgrade it. Here we go. So worked on upgrading that one. You can see that does help for sure. Okay, so okay, so again, I can't buy, so let's just upgrade again. All right, so as you can see, just have 2. All right, let's skip this one and let's just wait. We can get another one the next round if we don't buy anything this time. It seems to be doing all right. So see, we can get one this time. We'll put it here. We should be able to get another one next time and put it underneath. And then let's see what kind of upgrades we can get. So we'll see my score. All right, my score is increasing. Okay. So, all right. So again, we are only upgrading. That's it. luckily, see, even though those got further than they did when we were playing with the ducks, they're still able to get them all. Okay. All right, so again, let's upgrade. Can't do anything else right now, so here we go. All right, let's upgrade. Let's get this one right here. Oh, I can tell my score is already higher. Because here I'm about to approach the final boss here, and my score is above where it was before. Okay. All right, so let's see. This is it. So it appears between these two options, I did pretty well with the ducks, but it appears that the unicorns are going to give me a higher score overall at the end. Okay, so perhaps that's a better option. Nobody has yet to defeat this final boss, but okay, so in a comparison between the chicks and the unicorns are a better option. Okay, that score was much higher. Okay, so there's a comparison between the two. I'll do other comparisons after, but we'll just start with these two.